Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Analytics 4 to Shopify for growth insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Analytics 4 to Shopify, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, create one at analytics.google.com. Once logged in, create a new property by clicking on the admin gear icon. In the property column, click on Create Property. Enter your property name, select your reporting time zone, and currency. After that, click Next to fill in information about your business. Choose your business category and the size of your business, and then click Create. You'll need to accept the terms of service to proceed. After accepting, you'll be directed to the next setup screen. Select Web as the platform for data collection. Enter your Shopify store URL, then click Create Stream. On the Stream Details page, copy the measurement ID provided. Now, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. In the Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Click on Preferences to access your store settings. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. In the Google Analytics section, remove any existing tracking codes, if applicable. Paste your measurement ID into the provided field. Click Save to apply your changes. Next, go back to Google Analytics. In the same Stream Details, enable enhanced measurement features if not already activated. This will help track important interactions automatically. After this, test the connection to ensure it's working properly. Open a new tab and navigate to your Shopify store. After visiting your site, return to Google Analytics. Click on Real-Time in the left sidebar. If configured correctly, you should see active user data. You have now successfully connected Google Analytics 4 to your Shopify store. Monitor your data regularly to gain insights for growth and optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.